Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. See, there are two types of people in this world. One, who make the content on YouTube. Two, who consume the content on YouTube. So it's up to you. You have to decide yourself whether you want to be a content creator or you want to be content consumer. Okay, so you have to decide again, like whether you want to run a company or you want to get employed. So that's a big decision which you have to make in your life. Never stop thinking about growing in your life. Always think that you have to go to the next level. Never be satisfied with the kind of success you're having right now. Always try to learn new things, adapt to new things, and become, life is limitless. Do not try to limit your life. It has to be lived big, and you have to make and achieve big things in life. First you have to change this mindset, and only then you'll be able to achieve. In our in our tradition, from childhood, we have been taught that whatever you have, try to be happy. you know that's where you are limiting your thoughts, because that those things were taught to us, because we don't want to put our children into that kind of a stress where they want to achieve. But that's a very wrong thinking. If you follow a law of attraction, whatever you think will come to you. So it's always better you open up and be receptive to what universe has to offer you. If a lot of middle class people keep saying that money, पैसा आएगा तो problems भी आएंगे. If you have a mindset like that, you will never be able to attract money in your life. Money is energy, and always say that you love money, and more money comes to you. And it also depends on how you keep that money with you, and always try to follow it in such a way that you're treating that energy as a very positive energy in your life. And always think positive, and always try to grow. And when you say grow in life, you're always trying to make a big name and also do some good work for the society. You don't want to be living a normal life and normal death everybody goes through, and nobody remembers what you have done in the life. So which is not the life you should want. Okay, so that's the thought for this week. But we are going to analyze Banknifty and Nifty, and play a little bit about strategies which you plan, which you can plan on options with open interest which is available. So stay tuned and watch the video completely. So here we go, guys. So we are looking at Bank Nifty chart on a monthly time frame. The trend is still downwards until unless it crosses the super trend here. So we have predicted that if the market has to reverse, it will reverse from this level, and this is our 20 period moving average. And if this month this candle breaks the low of this candle, which is let's look at the low. Open price was 21480 and low was 21,085. So this low is again at 22,000. So if this falls till 21,400 and this low is taken out, then you can say that on a monthly time frame the trend has turned bearish. So let's see, analyze it further on a weekly time frame. So on a weekly time frame, you have got this peer 180 setup, complete green candle taken over by a red candle. So if you combine these two candles, this low has been taken out. Now the trend has formed. But you also need to see that there is this support level which is at 21,364. This is our 20 period moving average, which is giving a support, and the super trend is also below. So on a weekly time frame there can be a support here, and if any candle takes over this candle, any green candle forms like this, then we can say the trend is upward and this can break this level. Next resistance will be 25 516 basis our 200 period moving average. So this is caught up at a place where it is difficult for it to break out. It is going to consolidate here for some more time. So this is a difficult zone. You cannot break this. This is a strong resistance. You cannot break this. Even this is a strong support. So the market can stay in between these two lines on a weekly time frame. So let's analyze this on a daily time frame. So the volumes are also like flat. There's hardly any increment. On a daily time frame, we can see there was a buying which has come at this level, which is this is your zone. Okay, see to the left, there's a lot of buying which has happened here, and there is a lot of buying which has happened here also. So this is a complete zone where you can expect a lot of support to come. So here there's a lot of buying which is happening on a daily time frame. Now what is this trend saying? The trend, super trend, is showing as a downtrend, and price is below the 20 period moving average, and the 20 period moving average is also turned bearish. So I am expecting the market to open somewhere here on Monday, okay, and stay in this zone. If this low is broken, then you can expect further down movement, which is a little scary part, into this zone. Okay, so this is the entire, or it can open directly into this zone, and if it gets enough support, it can go up from here. So this is a very critical level what we are looking. So many times the price has bounced from this level. Okay, so this is the level which we are talking about. Now let's look at it on a 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes, the super trend was very clear. Since 17th of September, it has not touched the super trend, and the market has been sideways, and then there's a drop. This drop was like a massive drop. If people who have shorted expecting this consolidation, or if you have taken a straddle in this situation, they could have had a massive loss here, because one side the premium would have spiked up like crazy, another side premium will not drop in the same fashion. So because this was on a Friday, so always remember that Fridays mostly there is a kind of an explosion in the market, either ways, either upside or downside. You have to be very careful on Fridays. If you are a seller, you should always have a buying edge under your sold position, otherwise you will make huge loss. For us, Friday, initially I have seen this, then I have noted the price has closed above 200, so I was expecting a fall here, so I have created a butterfly below the market at this level. So the price has actually fallen into my butterfly. Let me show you that position, what I am holding right now. So this is my Bank Nifty butterfly which I am holding. So you can see the profit which is appearing right now, because the market has fallen into this level, 22,031. So if it goes this way or this way, we are losing 6,300. Notice this is our maximum loss, and this is our maximum profit if the expiry happens in between. But we don't know whether we want to continue holding this till the expiry, or if we get a good substantial profit, take a profit and then write another butterfly this side or this side. So it's completely up to us how we trade, but this is the most safe position. See, the quantity I'm having is 200 sold, 100 bought, 100 bought. So this also you can peacefully sit, because you know your maximum loss is this. That is on expiry. If it is before expiry, this T plus line you can watch, which is your real-time intraday movement as well as profit. Okay, so this is what the beauty of butterfly, which you should do it if you are wanting to be in the market for longer period of time, or don't want to become a millionaire overnight, which is a myth. And if you want to have a sustainable income, you should try this, and you should have a decent capital of 2 to 3 lakh rupees to start this. If you want to get started, I can definitely help you. You can DM me directly on Twitter. My ID is mentioned in the channel. You can DM me, and my team can reach out, and you can open up an account and start doing just this. I am always there to advise you. So let's look at Nifty also today and see what is Nifty up to. So let's analyze Nifty as well. So Nifty more or less looks in the same trend, but here you can see there is a good support at this level, and the super trend is also showing bullish on a daily time frame. So we have to see where the market opens up. If the market opens up slightly higher here, then we can say the trend will continue towards upside. I have a Nifty butterfly sitting here on the top side. Okay, so let's look at some stocks which we can add to our portfolio. What do? We do, the drill. We go to charting, we go to dashboard, and we have a weekly super trend breakout strategy, and we run scan to see if anything is available. No, we don't have any stock available this week, but still, if you want to look at Reliance, let's see what Reliance is doing. Reliance is in a pretty consolidation mode, but too far away actually. Maybe you can expect a retracement till 2173, and after that it can move forward. So this whole week it was consolidating, made a narrow candle. Now the next candle is very important. If it opens up here and breaks this high, definitely you can go long on this. Okay, so this is about Reliance. So right now we don't have any stocks for this week where we can see there is any breakout happening. Let's look at NSE chain and understand where is the highest open interest. So I have this tool with me, so I can see that maximum open interest is on 23,000, is on 22,500 call. This is call, and there is highest built up which happened on 21,000, 21,500, 22,000. So if you notice, the call shorting is higher, put shorting is low, which means the market's direction is downwards until then Monday. So this week will be monthly expiry, so we can expect the market to be there in this range somewhere. Ideally it can be between this range from here till here. So 21,500 is lot added, 21,000 is added on Friday. So this is a clear sign for us. Okay, basis this you can actually take a position. My advice is always, if the beginning of the month, say for example for Banknifty you are looking at 1st October, notice where is the highest open interest, and then you can you can sell that strike and buy the strike below it, and you can sell the highest open interest strike and buy the strike below it, and create an iron condor for a period till expiry, so that you will have a substantial gain, because the market will remain in that particular range. Even if the market breaks out, your position is hedged, so you will not lose much. So that is the safest bet you can have, and you can put in as much capital as you can in that. There is hardly any risk in those kind of strategies. So if you want to really grow your money, instead of putting it into the banks and waiting for FDs, you can do like this. You can invest your money into these kind of strategies and expect better returns. You just have to ensure that you have to keep a track that the market is staying in that range. If any threat comes, then you have to look out for an adjustment, or you can close that position and create a new position in that range. Mostly we have seen that if the market breaks the low, then it also bounces back. So you don't have to panic until unless your loss is already defined, limited in the strategy. Only that you have to be careful, that if that loss is met, then you close the strategy and open a new strategy, and then maybe next trade you will get that 1:5 again, so which we have seen. So that's it for this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you are learning from my videos, and you need to follow my channel, so that every week you get a sense like how we are analyzing and how we are taking positions. If you have any doubts, you can directly reach out to me on the channel. I'm always there to comment and respond to your queries. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.